Hello guys, we're going to do a tutorial today on the Wealth Generators FX Simplifier Auto Trader. We're going to show you how to set it up and get your account going in about 10 minutes and have this auto trader trading. My name is Troy Reno. I'm a member of the International Wealth Builders Group, IWBG. I'm a founding member, and we're a team of professional marketers and traders who go out and identify and vet high return passive investment opportunities. And Wealth Generators, since they came out with the hands-free set it and forget it FX Simplifier Auto Trader, they rate right up there at the top. My personal experience, I've been trading their trade alerts and their live pip rooms for a couple months now with extraordinary results. 200% in a month return, and that was great. That's amazing. But this auto trader, for the masses of people who don't want to learn how to trade the Forex market, this is it. This is the bee's knees. My personal experience with the FX Simplifier Auto Trader, I set mine up and it was trading on the 12th of June 2016, and up until today, which is the 6th of July, so less than a month, just over 3 weeks, I've had a 31.8% return on my account. Now this is hands-free. I set it up, I set it to risk 5% of my account per trade, and between June 12th and July 6th, again, that's just over 3 weeks, I've had a 31.8% return, which is incredible for something hands-free. So guys, I'm going to do this tutorial. Remember IWBG, International Wealth Builders Group. What we do is phenomenal, and we can help anybody get started here in a big way. First thing you want to do, we're going to go ahead and log in. We're setting up a new account today. So go to wealthgenerators.com. In the upper right hand corner, hit the login button, which I'm doing right now. Now we're going to go ahead and put in login ID, which is always your Wealth Generators ID number. We're going to put in a password here. And we're going to hit login. Takes just a second. Okay, once you're logged into your back office, you should be able to see it here on your screen. Go up to the top, this blue toolbar, and we're going to hover our mouse over Trade Alerts, and from the drop-down menu, we're going to click on FX Simplifier. Okay, FX Simplifier trading will never be the same. I can vouch for that. 31.8% return in 3 weeks with the Simplifier set on. Now, the first thing you should do, go to Forex.com, go ahead and open your trade account. A lot of people mess up when they open their trade account. This FX Simplifier Auto Trader runs off a MetaTrader 4 or MT4 account. So when you go to Forex.com, we're going to go ahead and go there right now. We've already got an account set up for this one, but go over here, click on Open an Account. Whoops. We're going to back up here. Go up to the top here, and we're going to click on Open an Account. Now, it gives you 2 choices for an account, a MetaTrader 4 account and a Forex Trader Pro account. It says Forex Trader Pro. Do not open a Forex Trader Pro account. If you open a Forex Trader Pro account, you're going to have to move your money. You're going to have to open a MetaTrader 4 account and redo everything. Nothing will work when you put it in the Simplifier. So open the MetaTrader 4 account and save yourself some time. Just click on Open MT4 account. You fill out the information, save and continue. They're going to send you an email. We'll show you what that looks like in a minute. But for now, the main thing to remember is when you open an account at Forex.com, which is Gain Capital out of New York, they're a huge brokerage firm. They've got great support. If you have any problems, go up to the top, click on Live Help, or click on their 877 number and call them. They will answer any questions. You can fund this account any way you fund a normal account, a bank account. If you can fund a bank account, you can fund this. They'll take a debit card. I've used a debit card. I've used wire transfers. I've used just anyway, ACH transfer. And getting money out is just as easy. They'll send you money in a couple hours after you request it. Great company. Now, let's get back to the FX Simplifier. Now, if you've already got your FX Simplifier set up and you just want to go adjust it, you click on the blue button. But we're going to click on the green button because we're going to start the activation process now. So, we've got some videos here. We're not going to watch this video. Okay, start the FX training, how the FX Simplifier works. You've got a module, Unit 1. Click on Unit 1. Okay, activation training. 1 hour. We're going to shorten that up here. Brokerage account, 5 to 15 minutes. Set up the FX Simplifier, 10 minutes. Wait for hosted MT4, 10 minutes. Finished. Wait for trades. We can speed that up. Why do I need activation training? You click on the plus button. It explains why. Why can't I use my own Forex brokerage firm? It explains why. Can you set up my FX Simplifier for me? Of course not. It explains why. Why does my MT4 status say invalid? It explains why. Will there be, so on and so forth. So we mark as completed. Now, this is what people forget to do. Go down to the bottom of the page and hit next unit. Okay, now we're at the next unit. Now, you see this little video window over here? Here, I'm going to try and, I can't highlight it. It's not a video window. People call me all the time and say, I can't watch the video. Well, it's not a video. Over here, there's a little bar. You can drag it down. And it's a read-only window. That's why it doesn't play the video, because there's no video there. It's read-only. We can make it big. Might make it a little easier to see. And we scroll down. Understanding risk, know the facts. The user of wealth generators, trade alerts, live pip rooms, and trading tools such as the FX Simplifier participate at their own discretion and trade at their own risk. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Just because I made a 31.8% return in the last 3 weeks does not mean that you're going to make a 38.1%. I mean, it's an indicator of their capability, and we see them producing, 400 to 500 pips a month, 10 to 15 to 20 pips a day regularly, and even more sometimes. But the fact is, you can't, we have to get that disclaimer out. So read the disclaimers. Okay, we're finished with that. How do I make that small again? Escape. Should do it. No, that's not doing it. Well, we'll just go back to here, so we can do that. Okay, so we mark as completed. See in the green bar, have you completed this unit? Mark as completed. Next unit. Okay, we have some questions here. Question: if a trade loses money, then I can make a claim for that loss at Wealth Generators? Of course not. No, I enter all trades at my own risk and discretion. We just figured that out. Save and answer next question. If a trade, okay, the trades provided by Wealth Generators will have results that vary from trade to trade. Okay, save and answer next question. Wealth Generators will give me the best advice for my current financial situation and how I should trade my money. False. They don't do that. You're in charge of your own money. You're putting money in your own brokerage account. All they're doing is hosting this in the cloud so that you can shut your computer off and don't have to leave it running 24/7, and they're connecting their trade signals with your broker so that when they place a trade, it's entered, that same trade is entered in your brokerage account in real time with some proprietary software that's never ever been done on this scale before. Okay, next unit. I'll save a next question. There we go. Question: if Wealth Generators FX trades made a profit of 300 pips in 1 month, then can I claim that WG Forex trades will always make 300 pips? False. Save. Question 5. The FX Simplifier offered by Wealth Generators will do which of the following for you? Host my MT4 as a courtesy, so I don't have to have my computer running 24/7. Yes. Automatically populate the FX trade in my brokerage account. Only those two. They don't manage your account for you. They don't automatically set and manage your account for you. No, you have to do that. You have to set it. We'll do that later. Okay, save and answer next question. Okay, in your own words, tell us why you want to use the FX Simplifier. AUTOMATICALLY. Populate the wealth to automatically populate the trades from, can't spell, can't type, there we go. Okay, to automatically populate the trades from the Wealth Generators experts into my FX Simplifier, and to, that should have said host, and to host in the cloud so I don't have to leave my computer running 24/7. Those are some great, that's it. That'll pass you every time. Just copy that, save and renew. Okay. Now you can review your questions, submit answers. Okay, correct. See, they're all correct. You can tell I've done this before. Next unit. Okay, setting up your brokerage account. Now, if you're a US or Canadian resident at this time, you have to use Forex.com, which is Gain Capital out of New York. Great company. If you're international, you have to use REF, River East Financial Markets, out of New Zealand. So if you're in New Zealand or anywhere else, that's a great company to use. So click on Ref Markets, or you click on Forex.com. Now, the company prefers if you go in here and click on this Forex.com logo or this Ref Markets logo when you're opening your account, whether it's a practice account or whether it's a live account. The reason is it lets Forex.com, Gain Capital, or River East Financial Markets know. It lets them know that you're with Wealth Generators and you're opening an account to hook up the FX Simplifier. That information gives Wealth Generators power and leverage with the company to get you a better deal. So log into your back office when you open it, and open it by clicking on this link. Watch me click the link and you watch it open.